In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Trust Wallet to Coinbase. So first thing you need to do is open up your Trust Wallet, and then you have to click on this settings icon or gear icon at the top of your screen. Then from this settings page, you have to click on wallets. Then on the screen, you'll be able to see all of your wallets. Now you have to just click on this option or three dots right next to the wallet that you want to connect to your Coinbase. So just click on these options, and then you will find this manual option from this screen, so you just have to click on it, and then you will be able to get your secret key phrase. So you just have to copy that recovery phrase key, and then you need to open up your Coinbase wallet, and then you have to click on this I already have a wallet option. So first you need to log out of your current Coinbase wallet, and then you will find this option, or you can simply reinstall Coinbase wallet again, and then you will also find this option. So just click on this I already have a wallet option. Then you have to select recovery phase option, and then you have to click on this enter manually option. Now you just have to paste your 12-word recovery phase in this area, and then click on this continue button. And once you follow this step, your trust wallet will be imported in your Coinbase. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.